Hello everyone, this is Shengmao machinery. Behind me is one type of our mobile concrete batching plant. It uses the GS-type concrete mixer and with a high discharging height. It doesn't need the concrete foundation and very easy to move to another job site. This is the aggregate batcher for beams. Below the aggregate batcher is the aggregate wing hopper and the conveyor belt. Those are the tires of it. There also have air brake on the tires. So you can use a trunk to drag the concrete batching plant to transport it on the road at high speed. This is the control room, and we make the control room on the concrete batching plant to make it easier to install and move. Above concrete mixer, there are the wings of water, cement, and additive. Our factory is professional in producing many kinds of concrete batching plant, including the mobile and stationary type. Welcome to contact us if you are interested.